खोला त एडेन
Cola. I just murdered a butter.
झ्यालहरू चाहिँ खोल्नु पर्यो अब नेपाली खाना बनाउने भनेपछि चाहिँ चट्टोसँगले झ्यालहरू चाहिँ सम्पूर्ण सामानहरू आज सपिङ गरेर ल्याइछौँ अब हाम्रो आज चाहिँ पक्का नेपाली स्टाइल भात बनाएर खाने प्लान हो हाम्रो चाहिँ हामी अघि त्यो पाथ त्यो भयो लो टाइड हाई टाइड हुँदा त्यो पाथ चाहिँ सबै पानीले भरिन्छ अनि हामीले त्यो क्यासलमा जाने हो टाइमिङ हुन्छ त्यसको लागि चाहिँ अहिले लो टाइड भएर पानी सबै सुकेको छ अनि मान्छेहरू चाहिँ स्टिल क्रस त गरिरहेछ तर अब एकछिनमा हाई टाइड भएपछि फेरि बन्द हुन्छ सो हामी चाहिँ क्रस गर्दैछौँ go.
Gone. Back in the sea.
Oh wow. Jellyfish? अब पानीको टाइड अलिक लो भएको कारणले हामी चाहिँ एकछिन यहाँ फोटो सुट गर्दै
Yeah,
Where is it?
it's still underwater. Yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah, that's the one.
माइलाको बहादुरी देखेर आज म छक्क परेँ हैन तर करोडको फोन चाहिँ बिगारे क्या
एउटा क्रक्सको लागि
भेटिसकेको यो पनि हो हुन सक्छ होइन यसो हेरेर गहिरो देखिन क्या तर त्यो चप्पल बगाएर जहाँसम्म पुग्यो त्यहाँसम्म कन्फिडेन्स चाहिँ बढ्छ है मोजानी भिजेछ त फोन मात्रै नभएर ए हो र ल यसको अब कतिवटा लुगा भिजाइसकिस् है
No, we're not wet. Fully wet.
कसको हाफेन लाग्यो तैँले
I don't know. Let's just go back.
तैँले नि भिजाइसकेछस् ल लेट्स गो
Let's go.
नट गेट वेट
It's a swag shell. Shell acquired. I have found one shell. Okay, let's go.
नो नो यताबाट हैन
I think they're alive because they're sticking.
यता यता उता
It's very short, bro.
नो एकदम गहिरो छ उ डिप छ यति यति
We've only seen two sea animals.
This one, yeah? See? Mussels. Mussels is here.
Oh, the one you can
Shell hunt.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Mussels,
yeah.
grab them. Grab one.
These are the mussels.
No, they're not. Yeah, but I don't take grab the sand.
Boys,
Okay, then I can
look.
feed them.
So this is tied now. This means alive, yeah. So when you boil it, the mouth will get open. That means it is dead, yeah. And this one, look.
But can we eat them?
This one looks like a flower, yeah.
Anyone want these shells?
No, 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 don't. Mati, let's go.
Jump, jump, jump.
हुन्छ कन्फिडेन्स बढ्छ केटाहरू क्यासल चाहिँ त्यहाँ छ हामी चाहिँ यो रकमाथि चढेको जे होस् केटाहरू जाडोले हैन पक्रेर पानी खेल्नेसम्म खेल्यो
Can we get much higher? So high.
Ivan,
Can you get much higher?
you don't want to say anything? Why?
Can we get much higher? So high. So like in forest school, yeah? Like once we had to stay at forest school. We did forest school for like 2 hours. I brought whirlies because I thought there would be lots of puddles and it would be a bit rainy. But then it wasn't raining and there was only a little bit puddles. And then my feet was freezing cold and I thought I almost got a frostbite. I've already got frostbite. Like compared to this weather, it's not that cold. You see?
Okay.
I'm still wearing my slippers anyways.
How are you feeling now?
Weather forecast. I'm gonna check the weather forecast. What about you, Aiden? What? What about you? Yeah, what about me?
Okay.
सबैजना भोकाको अवस्था होइन खास गरी केटाकेटीहरू
My name was Kata Kitty.
They felt like they waited for what they did.
आमाहरूले चाहिँ
2,760
कुरा ल्याएर
years.
उद्धार गरेका छन्
उधार भनेको त बरु होइन
अनि ह्याप्पी फेसेसहरू तिनजना र जाडोले चाहिँ केटाहरू शेषै पर खेल्ने बेला खेल्यो कि ल अहिले चाहिँ ब्रेक एकछिन आजको के छ
ए तर यो त के मेटल होइन त हाम्रो मेटल
यहाँ चाहिन्छ छैन निकाला अब घर जाने होइन त
अब घर लागेको
In 900 feet,
Hey!
turn left.
Dad, give me a phone! What's that?
केटा कस्तो रमाइलो भयो
Yeah. Wait. Patrick the Pebble.